Protecting puppies and their new owners. Bailey's Law is a bill working its way through the General Assembly right now. It would require pet stores to make it clear where they're getting animals from and pay up if something goes wrong. And I spoke to animal rights activists singing its praises. From the moment you bring a new pet home, you're probably hoping it's healthy enough to have times like this. But in 2013, a Virginia family purchased a puppy, named it Bailey, quickly watched its health decline, and found themselves bewildered when the pet store that sold Bailey to them refused to help them cover the mounting medical costs.
It created quite a fervor, and consumers became aware of the risks of buying dogs and cats at pet stores.
The legislation that followed, called Bailey's Law, has now passed the Senate, this week a House subcommittee, and it will soon be read before the full House.
I frankly see this as good for pets and consumers because at the heart of it, it not only saves the lives of animals, it's a consumer protection issue.
Holding pet stores that sell these precious animals accountable.
No more ambiguous answers when a consumer says, "Where did that puppy come from?"
Deborah Griggs, president of the Virginia Federation of Humane Societies, says this law would make sure the origin of cats and dogs is conspicuously displayed, cracking down on puppy mills.
In a 7-month period, we were able to verify that 888 puppies came from out of state to Virginia pet stores, and over half of those had Animal Welfare Act violations.
And if within days of purchasing your new pet, a vet finds that it's unfit for fun, dogs like Annabelle, Molly, and Niecy had, as our cameras roll today, you have a recourse.
People who buy a puppy aren't buying a refrigerator. They don't want to turn in a sick puppy for a healthy puppy. They love this animal.
If you don't want to give a sick dog back, you can receive funds to help keep them alive. Now, the dogs you saw in that video are at the Norfolk SPCA. The Humane Society hopes that this law will get more pet stores to open their doors to rescue groups to bring in pets who need homes. There have been some individual breeders opposed to the legislation, but I'm going to keep on top of it and let you know what happens from here.